I just want to kind of talk a little bit about how to use this Figma board now that we're back in here. I've started it and I put a couple, sample images, and Ruby has too. But the whole idea is that this is self-paced, right? That you are going to learn Blender on your own. However, we have this rhythm of classes where you come when you want. You can go ahead and jump in and treat it a little bit like office hours, knowing that I'm going to be going through the challenge of the week. And since we're kicking things off, I'm kicking it off with the first challenge. There are several challenges. So if you've been through Blender before, you can kind of look through and see each one of these levels. What do you know? Do you know how to do these things? And as you keep going, scroll on down to the next challenge. Do you feel comfortable with these things, and so on? So these are kind of our first step. And right now I'm keeping it simple. I didn't have everything open up. I'm going to unlock this for just a moment and show you each of these challenges keeps going. As we get more and more people in who are coming in at different levels, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. But for starters, I thought it would be a good idea to just kind of keep it a ride on rails and hint at something new that's coming. So for us, the whole idea is getting into these challenges that are open-ended and vague on purpose. I want to kind of talk about just challenge number 1 today and how to use this, and how this right here, the level 1 knowledge and know-how, shows up right over here as well. It's the same exact information. And so for level 1, the knowledge and know-how for the mind-bending abstractions sits right here. Okie dokie. So let's actually use this for a second. I want to be able to, when I open Blender, navigate this space. So if I go over to my Blender, I'm going to open it up, and you can see here, I'm just going to make it full screen, and I'll zoom in and zoom out as needed. But I have this whole space and I can go ahead and navigate it. I know what I'm doing, but if you get here and you're like, whoa, I don't even know, where to press. That's what we're going to be covering today, is some of these first basics of the challenges.